Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to cook cheesy, no-bake Filipino-style macaroni. We will need 2 cups of macaroni, 250 grams minced beef, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 medium-sized onion, half of a large bell pepper, 250 grams Filipino-style spaghetti sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon pepper. For the cheese sauce, we will need 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 cup of fresh milk, half block of cheese. First, cook the macaroni according to package instructions. While boiling the macaroni, we can start to prepare the meat sauce. Melt the butter in a pan, then saute the onion until aromatic. Then add the bell pepper. Add the beef and continue to mix until it turned brown. Cook for 4 to 6 minutes in medium heat until the liquid is completely reduced. Add the Filipino-style spaghetti sauce and half cup of water and continue to simmer in low heat for 15 minutes. Then season with pepper and salt. Set this aside while we are checking our macaroni. This is now cooked. We can proceed to drain this. Heat up again the sauce in low heat and add the macaroni. Continue to mix until the sauce is absorbed. Do this for 3 to 4 minutes. Set this aside for a while. We will start to make our cheese sauce. Melt the butter in a small pot in low heat, then add the flour. Continue to mix until fully dissolved. Add the milk and bring to a slight boil. Mix occasionally to prevent the milk from curdling. When the milk is about to boil, add the cheese and continue to stir until there are no more lumps. Make sure the heat is set to low to prevent the cheese sauce from burning. Continue to mix until the sauce is smooth. Our cheese sauce is now ready. The last step is to arrange the macaroni in a container, then pour in the cheese sauce. Here's our no-bake Filipino-style macaroni. This easy-to-cook dish is a good choice on your next potluck or gathering. Enjoy!
Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!